Okay. So chemical change is it transforms the substance into new one with different properties. When during your activity, when you pour the baking soda, the vinegar to the baking soda, what happened? It reacts. So that is how chemical change is defined or all about. It is not where you see if there is a reaction or there is a chemical change. Okay, it only forms another substance. Okay. Now, please count off.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7.
8, 9.
Okay, let's proceed with now the physical change. The physical change part in your activity has 4 or 3 guide questions. So now, number 6, please stand up and I want you to read the question and give me your answer.
Question number 1.
Yes, in physical change.
Okay. What do you think the paper looks different after cutting or tearing? And our answer is the shape and the size change, but the paper's chemical composition did not, and is still a paper.
Okay, very good. But do you agree with that? Number 8. Do you agree?
Yes, sir. Because when we cut a piece of paper, the physical or yung shape niya is or yung size niya is nagbago. Kaya may physical change.
Very good. So, do you think it is under physical change?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Although you cut it, you changed its size, but still it is a paper. So that is a physical change. Nagbabago lang yung itsura niya. Okay. Now, let's proceed for chemical change. Guide question number 1. Number 9.
Chemical changes. So what did you observe when vinegar and baking soda were mixed? So my answer is, as I observed, the vinegar and the baking soda, as they mixed, they were bubbling, appeared and gas was produced.
Okay. So, do you agree with that answer, Miss? Number 1.
So the answer of Miss Jailani, based on the question number 1 from chemical changes, is what did you observe when vinegar and baking soda were mixed?
Yes.
So we observed that it has a bubbling or fizzing nag-occur doon when we mix the vinegar and the baking soda. And also, we see na nag-mix together or nagkakaroon ng parang reaction towards.
Exactly. So what do you think is the new substance there? It is the bubbles, or because from powder it become bubbles. That's it. That is why it's chemical change. It forms new substance to a substance into a new one, a new substance. Okay, from old substance again to new one. Okay. Now, let's proceed for question number 2. Miss number 7.
What does it tell you about the change? So the reaction produces carbon dioxide gas, showing that the chemical change occurred.
Okay. Do you think why do you think it happened? Again.
So the question
Read
is,
that question.
why did the bubbling happen?
Why do you think it happened?
So the reaction produces carbon dioxide gas, showing that chemical change occurred.
Okay. So, nangyayari daw yun due to the reaction nag-produce siya ng carbon dioxide. That is why it become, nagbabubbles or nag-freeze yung baking soda when mixed to the vinegar. Okay, last number, guide question number 1. Guide question number 2 to chemical change. Number 3. Number 3, chemical change. Number 2, guide question number 3.
Is how can you tell that a new substance was formed? Well, my answer for is the formation of gas, change in temperature and reaction between the two substances indicate a new substance was formed.
Okay, so because of the reaction that perform na nag-change ng temperature, so that becomes nag-react due to reaction from neutral temperature ng babago yun. That is why may reaction na nagaganap doon that can produce a new substance. Okay, so did you yes ma'am? Okay, I think it's already time. So I hope that you've learned something to our discussion today. Did you learn something?
Yes.
Okay. Since it's already time, our next activity will be next meeting na lang, okay?
Yes.
Is it fine with you?
Yes.
Okay, prepare yourself for the next activity because next week we will have the activity from this, our discussion. Okay, goodbye class.
Goodbye, sir.
Okay, class dismissed. Have a great day ahead.